Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Plato app. We click on settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Plato app and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Plato app. Here you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.
No, sir.
See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.